Hey there, everybody. For over 20 years, I've been helping companies grow organically by using content marketing. And in this video, I'm going to give you some of the best advice on how you can increase your organic reach too. But before I get into it, show us some love and hit that like or subscribe button.
Cross-pollinate your accounts.
All right, cross-pollination. In other words, tell your Instagram followers to go follow you on Facebook, or head over to your LinkedIn and tell those followers to join you on Twitter. Cross-pollination is using the attention of one social platform to promote on another social platform. So, think of it like you're planting seeds in your digital garden. We use this strategy with our clients. We share posts on Facebook to entice followers to go watch videos on YouTube where our clients will solve an issue or they'll provide value. And so we do this cross-pollination every Wednesday. And since our client has implemented this strategy, they gained 94 subscribers and tripled their average view duration. And I would say that's hashtag worth it. And if you want some more ideas like this, head on over to our blog. We have a ton of cross-pollination ideas that you can use too with your business.
Reshare your top performing posts.
Content doesn't necessarily have an expiration date. You can recycle top performing evergreen posts over and over again. Review your posts every month to see what hits and keep a log. And make sure to edit your copy just a little bit each time so that you keep it fresh.
Optimize your profiles and posts.
Did you know your social media profiles influence search results? Yep, they do. While social shares may not affect your web page's position on Google, your social profiles definitely affect the content of your search results. I tested this theory out and Googled one of my favorite brands, Doc Martens. Who doesn't love Doc Martens? Out of the 7 results shown on the first page, their Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook profiles counted for almost half of the listings. And I don't know about you, but if I do a Google search and a social media account appears at the top of the search results, I am just as likely to click on it than go to the company's website. Your profiles matter to Google, and more importantly, to the people who are looking for your product or service online. It pays to have up-to-date content that creates engaging conversations between you and your audience. So consider optimizing your platform and posts. Make sure all of your profiles have an easy to remember username. Try not to get too clever here. Just go straight forward with your username. Use the same recognizable photo or brand photo across platforms, and use the same bios. Use keyword-rich copy for your post descriptions, but please make sure you still sound like a human, and add trackable links back to your website wherever it makes sense.
Post the right type of content.
Certain types of content can give you a huge boost in organic reach. In fact, Sprout Social reports that video is the most valuable content format for achieving social goals. Of course, video shouldn't be your only type of content that you produce. You're gonna want to experiment a little bit. So try photos and images, quote graphics, audiograms, video memes, do some live videos, and create some short animated videos. Watch your insights, track what works best, and then create more of the same high-performing content.
Interact with and engage your followers.
Stop the one-sided version of outdated marketing and be the company to stand out by interacting with your audience. I see this time and time again that there is no interaction on pages. So if they comment on your page, respond. If your audience shares your posts, leave a message of gratitude if you can. And if they DM you, respond as fast as you can. Remember, this is social media after all. It's a two-way street of communication. You don't have this with any other marketing platform. So use this. Do this often and consistently, and you will build a great reputation, a great following, and your name will spread. It just will. The internet is a big, noisy place, and it feels like you have to spend a ton of money on advertising just to get your people to see your posts. But as I've shown, there are still opportunities for organic growth out there. We hope our 5 marketing tips help increase your organic reach, and if they do, let us know. We'd love to hear from you. And if you're stuck, visit us over at holloway-mediaservices.com and book a strategy call with us. Thanks so much for watching. Happy posting!